In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your virtual background on Microsoft Teams with ease. This is perfect for adding a personal touch to your meetings or simply hiding a less than optimal home office setting. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to teams.microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, just enter your credentials and follow the prompts. Now, you're ready to either join a meeting that's already in progress or start one yourself. This is a crucial first step because you'll only be able to access the background settings from within a meeting. Before you actually join the meeting, you'll find yourself on the pre-join screen. This is a great opportunity to check your settings and make any last-minute adjustments to your setup. Here, you'll see an option labeled Background Filters. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of options for you to tweak your background settings. Once you're in the Background Filters menu, you'll want to look for an option that says Add New. It's typically found near the bottom of your list of existing backgrounds. By selecting this, you're about to make your virtual experience truly your own by adding your own custom image. Now let's move on to uploading your image. A tip here. Before you upload, ensure your image is a compatible file type such as .jpg, PNG, BAW, or NIWAS, or BMP. These are the formats that Microsoft Teams supports. Click Add New, and you'll be prompted to choose a file from your computer. Navigate through your files and select the image you'd like to use as your new background. As soon as you upload it, you should see it appear in your list of available backgrounds. Once your image is uploaded, you'll want to apply it. Simply click on the image that you've just added. Microsoft Teams will instantly change your background to this new image, and now you're all set for your meeting with a fresh, personalized backdrop. This simple act not only enhances your video presence, but can also convey professionalism or add a splash of creativity, depending on the image you choose. That's it. With these easy steps, you've successfully customized your Microsoft Teams background. Now you can attend meetings with a backdrop that fits your style perfectly. Remember, choosing the right background can make a great impression, increase your confidence, and maybe even add a touch of fun to your virtual interactions. Enjoy your newly personalized meeting space and happy video chatting.